Why would you lock or unlock a SIM card on the Samsung phone or the iPhone? Now on my Samsung Galaxy S24 device, to lock or unlock a SIM card, I can swipe down and open up the control panel. In here, I tap on settings. In settings, if you scroll down and tap on security and privacy, then we go down and tap on more security settings. In here, tap on SIM card security, and from here I can lock my SIM card. When I tap on the toggle button, I can enter in the PIN to lock it, or I can tap on it to unlock it. Now I only have 3 attempts. If I enter in 3 wrong attempts, my SIM card will be locked and I will need a PUK PIN to unlock it. So here we are talking about why would you want to lock it or unlock it. So the reason why you would want to lock your SIM card is to enhance the security. So locking your SIM card with a PIN ensures that if your phone is lost or stolen, no one can use your SIM card for calls, text, or data access without knowing the PIN. Now, another reason is to prevent unauthorized use. A locked SIM prevents unauthorized access to your phone number and mobile network, blocking potential misuse like fraud or SIM swapping. And it can also protect sensitive information. It safeguards personal information stored on the SIM, such as contacts and text messages. So why would you unlock it? There are also several reasons why you would want to unlock your SIM card. Firstly, it is to allow you to switch networks. So if your phone is locked to a specific carrier, unlock the SIM allows you to use a SIM card from a different network provider, which is useful when traveling or changing carriers. Another reason is to access full device functionality. Unlocking ensures you can use all features of your device, such as your mobile data, calls, and text, without being tied to a single carrier. Also, you can avoid roaming charges when traveling internationally. Unlocking the SIM lets you use local SIM card, saving on expensive roaming fees. And the last reason is to sell or transfer your device. An unlocked SIM increases the device resale value and makes it more appealing to buyers as they can use it with their preferred network. And that's it. So you can choose to lock your SIM card to increase the security, or for ease of use, you can simply unlock it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.